Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be comparing two popular cameras, the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Fujifilm X-T5. We'll discuss their features, performance, and help you decide which camera is the right choice for you. So let's get started. Both cameras offer exceptional image quality, but with different sensor technologies. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E boasts a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, providing excellent detail and low-light performance. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 features a class-leading 40.2 megapixel X-Trans 5-hours CMOS sensor, delivering outstanding results with exceptional sharpness and dynamic range. When it comes to ease of use, both cameras have their strengths. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E features a convenient vari-angle touchscreen LCD, making it ideal for vlogging and composing shots from different angles. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T5 retains the classic X-series design with intuitive dials, allowing quick and easy adjustments even with the camera switched off. If you're into videography, both cameras offer impressive video capabilities. The Canon EOS M50 Mark E supports 4K UHD *24p and HD 120p for slow motion, while also providing features like touch record control and movie self-timer. The Fujifilm X-T5, meanwhile, provides powerful image stabilization and delivers stunning video quality with its advanced image processing algorithm. And that concludes our comparison between the Canon EOS M50 Mark E and the Fujifilm X-T5. Both cameras have their own strengths, so make sure to consider your specific needs and preferences before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more camera reviews and comparisons. Thank you for watching.